Hello there. Today, we're delving into the fascinating process of creating something truly intriguing. What we are seeing here is a silage pile, also known as silage bunker or silage clam. These structures have a history dating back to the late 19th century, when agricultural practices began to evolve to meet the demands of growing livestock populations. The concept of ensiling, or preserving forage crops through fermentation, has ancient roots, with evidence of similar practices found in ancient civilizations such as the Romans and Egyptians. Silage piles are an essential part of modern agricultural practices, serving as a method for preserving and storing forage crops to feed livestock during times of scarcity. These piles are typically made from crops, such as grass, corn, sorghum, barley, oats, and alfalfa. The process of creating silage piles involves several steps. Firstly, the crops needed for silage are harvested and transported to a designated area, usually a concrete slab or other prepared surface. Tractors equipped with dumping mechanisms are used to unload the harvested crops onto the surface. Once the crops are dumped, tractors are again employed, this time to push and compress the crops into the desired shape and height of the silage mound. This compression process is crucial as it helps remove as many air pockets from the mound as possible. The silage pile is designed to exclude oxygen and create an anaerobic environment conducive to fermentation by lactic acid bacteria. This fermentation process is what helps preserve the forage, preventing spoilage and maintaining its nutritional quality. After the mound is properly shaped and compressed, it is covered with plastic to further reduce exposure to air. This plastic cover acts as a barrier against moisture and prevents the growth of weeds and unwanted vegetation on top of the silage. To ensure a tight seal, the edges of the plastic cover are typically weighted down with dirt, and extraction fans may be used to remove excess air from underneath the cover. Some farmers also use heavy objects like tires to hold the cover in place. Once properly sealed and fermented, the silage can be stored for several months to a year or more, providing a reliable source of nutrition for livestock during periods of scarcity. Overall, the creation of silage piles involves careful planning, proper harvesting techniques, and meticulous attention to detail to ensure the quality and longevity of the stored forage. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of farming. See you in the next video.